Taking a long or taking a short. That's what you basically do when you do a trade. Yo, I'm Capital Bro C and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is basically a very quick video I want to share with you guys. I think most of us actually trade on our mobile devices using MT5, and some of you might use TradingView to do your analysis and then you place the actual trade on your phone. So today I just wanted to show a tool that we all basically use all the time, and that is the PL. So basically, this is what I'm talking about. Taking a stop, taking a long or taking a short on TradingView. So today's video is basically adding this feature onto your MT5. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and also leave a like or a comment on if you use this tool quite a lot in your trade. So yeah, so this is the tool I'm talking about. So this is when it basically tells you if you're going to take a 1 to 2, if you're going to take a 1 to 4, if you're going to take whatever your trading strategy. So for example here, this is a 1 to 1. So you don't see this when you go into MT5. You don't like physically see this. You basically open your trade, but you don't have that basically analysis to your trading. So if you, for example, take a 1 to 2 or 1 to, let's say 1 to 1.5, and now you go on to MT5, you can't see that. So enough said, let's get into it. So I'm going to add this tool onto MT5. So before that, if you're looking for a broker, you can use HFM. There will be a link down below, and there's also bonuses for you guys that actually want to sign up. So yeah, link down in the description. So for example, if I want to do this exact same one, it won't look as pretty as TradingView because TradingView is a better overall platform than MT5. MT5 is just where you place the trade. So for that, we're going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So yeah, does it make sense, guys? So just bear with me. So for example, here we have the JPY on MT5. So you're going to click on your MT5 anywhere on the screen. You're going to look for the three objects, which is right here. Then you're going to look for Fibonacci retracement. So there we can see. So you're going to click on Fibonacci retracement. And now this is where you're going to do the exact same. So whatever your strategy or daily you want to see, you want to do 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, you're going to click it from your swing low and basically to your swing high. So depending on if you're doing a long or short. So for example, here you can see I'm doing a short, but if you want to reverse it, there's a long. So you can basically just do this. So you can see I already set up mine for entry, a 1 to 1 and a 2 to 1 or 1 to 2. So basically to get that, we'll get there right now. So for this trade, for example, this is what we're looking at. So we'll take it up. Let's just delete this one. Let's add another one quickly. But I say retracement, so the exact same trade would be there at the bottom, which is the 30-minute. This is what we're currently looking at. So the entry was at this candle here, and then would be there. So there we go. So to get stop loss entry 1 to 1 and 2 to 1, you would go back onto your basically your objects. You'll see there's the 30-minute Fibonacci. You'll click on the actual one, and this is where we'll set these values. So then you will go to your levels. So you're looking at levels at the bottom so that you can change this depending on how you want to change. So you'll click on add. So for example, there might be more levels. So you can see you will add 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is just a description. So the first one for you will be the exact same. So 0 and 1 and 2 would be the exact same. So for example, stop loss would be your description because that's where it's basically below. 1 is your entry, 2 is your 1 to 1. If you wanted to say, for example, a 1.5 instead of a 2 to 1, this you will change. We say once you have it, basically your levels saved. Don't forget to click save because I forgot to click save. Then you sense it save, and then you can see they changed. So now your Fibonacci basically changed, and then you can move it depending on how you want to move it. So then you can just play around with this. So for example, ours on the thing is there below our swing low, and then entry is around there. So now you can see the two looks Not identical because obviously TradingView looks cleaner because you have the coloring, but the only colorization here is basically your levels and moving it up and down. So yeah, so this actually helps you with your risk management. So definitely try to implement this onto MT5 and then play around with the settings and how you would adjust your one. So yeah, that is today's video. Very quick and short, guys. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and also subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Capital Bro C. I'll spot you in another one. Peace out.